Good evening, good morning, good afternoon, wherever you are in the world. It's Anna coming to you today with my 30-day manifesting blitz. And today I'm going to talk about how to activate abundance, or how to activate the abundance around you. So for those of you that don't know me, my name is Anna and I am a manifesting mindset coach, and I help entrepreneurial women break through or let go of the limiting beliefs that are holding them back to manifest what they truly desire in their lives. So thank you for joining me. Let me know where you're tuning in from. I'm from Canberra, Australia. Hi, Monica. Monica is my friend from Germany. Nice to see you. So let's talk about manifesting, all things manifesting for 30 days. So how do you activate abundance around you? Now, most people resonate in the energy. Hi, Lisa. Good to see you. Most people resonate in the energy of lack. And then what happens when you resonate in the energy of lack? You attract more of that energy. You attract things. Your life is a mirror. Your world, your reality is a mirror to what you're projecting, what you're putting out there. So how do we shift that then? How do we then activate abundance around you? So I've written down a couple of things to keep me on track, because sometimes I just go in multiple directions because my mind works in crazy ways. So this is how to activate abundance around you. Now, in order to have abundance, you must resonate abundance. Monica says she's in Creta in the sun. Oh, beautiful, Monica. I'm here in Canberra, Australia, in the cold winter. So how do we activate abundance around us? Okay, first thing we need to do is we need to start to switch our energy. How do we switch our energy? We switch our energy by amplifying what's going right in our lives, what's working in our lives. Where are you happy? What's working for you in your life? For example, even if you're sitting down at a meal, breakfast, lunch, or dinner, or a snack, or whatever it is, that's working for you. You have food on the table. You have food in front of you. Amplify that. Step into the energy and the gratefulness, the gratitude of you actually having that thing, something that is going right for you. If you have power to turn the light on at night, if you have power to keep your food cold in the freezer, if you have power to turn on air conditioning if you're hot, or heating if you're cold, that is working for you. So amplify what's working for you. Absolutely, Lisa, amplifying abundance. So another thing to do is to feel grateful for the little things. Like, I love to jump in my bed at night and I love feeling the cotton sheets on my skin. I've got one of those memory foam pillows, and I love the way my head lies on the memory foam pillow. I step into gratefulness. I step into that moment. I step into the present moment to feel what's working for me, to activate abundance with gratitude in whatever I'm feeling at the moment. So you amplify, you raise the energy of that. Hi, Tanya. What else do you need to do? You also need to be still. You need to slow down, because most people in our lives, I know this happens to me a lot as well. It's actually a task for you to slow down and for you to be still. We are running around like ants in an ant's nest. We're running left, right, and center with our huge to-do list, everything that we need to do, it from home to the children, to our partners, to our jobs, to our businesses, etc. Be still. Learn to be still. Learn to step into the present moment, just to breathe, just to take some deep breaths and to center yourself. And just be in your surroundings, whether it's in a house, or in your office, or in the garden, or even in your car. Practice being still. And also, I love to do this when I'm driving around during the day, or in the morning or at night. I love to just feel the presence of everything that's surrounding me. Hi, Angie. So feel the presence of everything that's surrounding me. I love to just look at the road, be one with the road, be one with the trees. Recently, we've got beautiful frosts here in Canberra in the morning, and it's just this dusting of white crystals all over the grass and the trees. It's beautiful. I become one with all of that. So that's amplifying abundance by noticing what's around you. Instead of buzzing through life, instead of driving in the car from A to B, you're missing out on the space of A to B. Be present in the space of the journey, not just focusing on the journey or the things that you've got to do. Be present with your paper, be present with your pen, be present with everything that you're in at the moment. Feel the feet on the floor, feel the clothes on the skin. Be present, okay? That's how you're going to activate abundance in your life. What else? Allow compliments. This is another thing. Stop deflecting compliments. If somebody gives you a compliment, says, "Oh, that color looks great on you," or I love your message that you just said today," or "I love your post," or "I love your hair," anything, stop and accept it. Be open to receiving. Okay, so if you're deflecting compliments, you're deflecting abundance. You're deflecting the goodness from coming to you. Stop deflecting. So deflecting is kind of like when you're holding a mirror to the sun and you're pushing the sun away. Allow the goodness to come. Stop and accept. Be open and accepting to any compliments that people give you, okay? And you can even return compliments. If you actually genuinely see something that you like in somebody, mention it. Give them a compliment, because what you give comes back to you. So when you make someone feel good, that energy comes back, okay? This is another thing. I love to watch nature. I love to watch the birds, because when you watch the birds, you see them in their present moment, in their present state. They're always walking around or flying around looking for food, but they're never stressing about it. They're never saying, "Oh my God, where am I going to get my dinner from?" or I didn't have breakfast," or whatever. They're present. They know that the world, that the universe is abundant and it will always serve them. So just observe a cat, observe a dog, observe nature and how it's in harmony and peace with itself. Okay, that's how you'll also activate abundance. What else have I got? Appreciation. Remember to appreciate the little things. I appreciate the heating in my car. I appreciate the fact that I can turn on a television and get information or be entertained. I appreciate the fact that I'm in a contract role at the moment and I'm getting amazing income. Yeah, Lisa, observe your children. Absolutely. Children are a beautiful thing to observe, because they don't know lack. They don't know that, they only know love. They're in the present moment. The same as our dogs and our pets. They're in the present moment. So observe them. What else? Stop and smell the roses. Literally, stop and smell the roses. If you've got flowers around in your garden, go and have a smell. Have a smell of your roses. Because you're appreciating what nature has provided for you. You're appreciating, you're stopping, you're being still, and you're you're activating the abundance around you. What else? So notice the smells around you. Notice the tastes around you. Like I had a lunch out with my mother-in-law today, and I had a fantastic latte, and I had this pesto and halloumi cheese sourdough bread dish. It was delicious, but I really appreciated every mouthful. I just enjoyed the taste. I appreciated the coffee, the flavor of the coffee. Instead of just having your lunch and you're having your coffee and conversation or whatever, be present with what you're doing. So stop and really taste things and appreciate things and smell life. We also walked past a counter, a Lancome counter, and they had these perfumes that were sitting for these sample bottles, and we grabbed some sample bottles and just became one with the fragrance. I love doing that. Become one with whatever you're doing. Be fully present. What else have I got? So set up an appreciation altar. This is something else that you can do. Set up a little altar, a little space somewhere around you, like in your bedroom or your living room, somewhere where you're going to see it every single day. And put maybe your favorite crystals, if you've got any crystals, if you're into crystals, or some flowers, either silk flowers or fresh flowers, or things that have meaning to you, like photos or trinkets or symbols, anything that symbolizes abundance. Create a little altar, because then you've got something to focus on. You've got a space there that helps to anchor abundance for you, to remind you to be present, to remind you to activate the abundance around you. So So I hope let me know if you've got any thoughts about that, or any ways that you actually as well activate abundance around you. Share that with others in the comments. Also, if you would like to jump on a free manifesting mastery call, I do 30-minute free calls to help you activate your abundance or whatever you want to manifest in your life. I'll help you uncover what's holding you back. So I hope that's been useful for you. Give me some hearts and some likes, and I will be in touch with you again tomorrow. Happy activating your abundance. Okay, I'll see you again tomorrow. Bye for now. Bye.